Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Xiaomi Redmi 12C connects to the internet but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store or any network related apps. To fix this, first let's try the Google Play Store and see if it works. Here we have Disney Plus, and if we try to install it or even open it, there's this error. And now Google Chrome. We can reload any page or try to enter a new one. And this is the error we get. To fix both of them, go to your settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom to find the additional settings, date and time, and set time automatically. From here all of the issues should be gone and we can reload the Google Chrome page. Now it works fine, and the same as with Google Play Store, so we can try again and download Disney Plus. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.